Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, so first we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we can go into the settings. Now we need to find the chats, scroll down, and click on the chat backup. And now let's begin with a few things that we need to discuss. Let's begin with the Google account. Let's click on that first. And in here, currently, this Google account is selected because that's the Google account that I'm currently logged into in the settings of my device. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore the backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right now on the screen. On your device, of course. If you want to add another account, simply click on add, and then you'll have a possibility to log into your other Google account. Now, below we have automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is set on off, but we have 4 modes that we can set. It's daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Currently, it's set on the monthly, and that means that each month the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually. So it's really convenient and comfortable feature because I don't need to remember about making a backup. It will be done automatically. Below we have option to include the videos on our backup. Defaultly this option is also set on off, so we can turn it on, and below we can see how many megabytes will be backed. Also on the bottom of the screen we can enable the end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats, but if you forget that password, you won't be able to restore the chats. So please create the password that you will remember, or don't create it, simply. Alright, once everything is discussed, we need to click on the backup button. Also make sure that you have some free Google storage space. Click on the backup. Now the process will start. Okay, and that's all. Our backup has been successfully created. We can see it when we take a look on the hour. It says last backup at 8 PM almost, and that means that everything went fine. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.